The 2025 Nissan Titan steps into the new model year with subtle refinements and a continued focus on rugged reliability, bold styling, and everyday usability. While the Titan doesn't drastically depart from its familiar full-size truck identity, it solidifies its position as a solid contender for drivers seeking power, comfort, and practicality in a single package. Under the hood, the 2025 Titan carries forward the proven 5.6-liter endurance V8 engine, delivering 400 horsepower and 413 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth power delivery, respectable towing capability of up to 9,300 pounds, and enough torque to handle tough jobs or recreational hauling with ease. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, while four-wheel drive is available across the lineup for those needing off-road capability or additional traction in challenging weather. The Titan's exterior design continues to be bold and aggressive, with the wide grille, high stance, and squared-off proportions that emphasize strength. Subtle updates for 2025 include refreshed LED headlights and new wheel designs, giving the truck a more contemporary edge without straying far from its roots. The Pro4X trim, in particular, adds a sportier, off-road-ready look with black tout accents, red tow hooks, and skid plates, making it a favorite for weekend adventurers. Inside, the 2025 Titan impresses with a surprisingly refined cabin that blends utility with comfort. The use of premium materials on higher trims, improved sound insulation, and thoughtful ergonomics make the cabin a comfortable place to spend time, whether on the job site or during long highway drives. Standard equipment includes an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while upper trims feature a larger 9-inch display, a 12-speaker Fender premium audio system, and built-in navigation. Nissan's zero-gravity seats, known for their long-distance comfort, remain a highlight, offering support without fatigue over extended periods. The Titan also stands out with its standard safety tech. Nissan Safety Shield 360 is included across all trims, offering a suite of features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. Adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system are also available, providing peace of mind and added convenience during daily driving or when maneuvering a trailer. One of the Titan's unique selling points lies in its straightforward trim lineup and generous warranty. Nissan offers one of the best limited warranty plans in the segment, with 5 years or 100,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper coverage. This confidence in reliability is a compelling draw for buyers who want long-term value without unexpected repair costs. Additionally, the Titan's no-nonsense configuration and standard V8 engine make it an attractive option for buyers who don't want to navigate complicated engine choices or costly upgrade paths. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Titan might not be the most high-tech or luxurious truck in the full-size segment, but it makes a strong case for itself with its robust engine, standard features, safety technology, and a warranty that goes the extra mile. It's a truck designed for those who value reliability, capability, and comfort wrapped in a bold, unapologetic package.